Hey guys, I am on my way to Bob Wells Nursery in Lindale, Texas. It's a couple hours, almost a couple hours from my house, to pick up some fruit trees. It's summertime right now, and the local nurseries, they don't carry trees in the summer. Obviously, they're usually on sale during the spring, so everybody's out. This place, Bob Wells Nursery, specializes in fruit trees and nut trees. I went on their website. They got just a vast variety of fruits and nut trees. It's an awesome place. My friend Eric from Country Living Experience channel on YouTube, he goes there. They got a lot of selection of fruit trees, different varieties. So I'm going to check it out. I need to pick up, I brought my trailer with me. I need to pick up around 20 or 21 trees. I got a little list made out, and I put them in my orchard. So we're going there right now. Alright guys, just arrived at Bob Wells Nursery. We're going to go inside and check out all their trees, put my order in, and let's see if they have them all. Alright guys, you can see they have a huge variety of trees. Shade trees over here, some fruit trees here. Yeah, they have a lot. Here we got Asian pears, some peach trees over here. Peach or nectarine, I'm not sure. What are these? Peach, okay. Mid-pride peach. Nectarines here. Fantasia. So I'm getting 21 trees to put in my orchard, and I got to get this orchard going this year. I should have done it earlier when the weather was cooler, but I got to do what I have to do. So 21 trees I'm getting, and I have a few at home in pots still that I have to plant. Wow, this place has a lot. It's nice. Yep, lots of fruit trees here. Lots and lots. I don't even know what these are. Jujube. Heard these are pretty good too. And those look like olives back there. I can tell olives from a mile away. Ah, here too. Yep. I got two of these here at home. I'd like to get some black olives. Little figs. Alright guys, as you can see here, they have a huge variety of fruit trees. If you live in East Texas, this is a place to get the fruit trees. especially in the summer now. Most of your nurseries don't have fruit trees anymore. It's usually in the spring. But this is a place to go to get fruit trees. Now, I need to get fruit trees now in the heat of the summer because I want to get my orchard done and the plants rooted this summer, so by next spring they'll be ready. So when you get your trees, you have to do your research on your area, your planting zone, where you're at. I'm in zone 8 and I have roughly 700 chill hours. Those are temperatures below 45 degrees in the wintertime. And each tree needs a certain amount of chill hours below 45 degrees Fahrenheit in order for them to blossom next year in the spring. So you got to do your research and see what variety does well in your area. And that's what I did. I got pomegranates, apricots, nectarines, just a wide variety of fruit trees. Cherry trees, also apple, pears, that will do well in my zone where I live. Because I'll tell you, they sell stuff here that won't work at all, you know, like mango trees. I love mangoes. When I lived in Florida, I had a huge mango tree. Unfortunately, they won't grow here unless I build some kind of greenhouse for it. Avocados. They do have a cold, hardy avocado. We do have mild winters here, but they're not that mild. And they don't do well here. So anyways, make sure you do your research before you go buying trees. Fruit trees, that is. All right. Plastic bags so the dirt don't come off of them or come out of it, out of the pots before I get home. At least I'll catch them in the bag. Okay, as you can see, I got them all in bags so the dirt don't spill out of them. They're all laying down. Now I'm going to put a tarp here because I don't want the wind coming down and knocking all the leaves off on these. I got a pretty close to 2-hour drive, so hope this works. Alright guys, got it all tarped down, strapped, and we're ready to go. All right, guys, I made it back, and the trees made it back alive. That tarp worked really good. Obviously, when you're getting trees and you're going with your pickup, don't put them in the back of your pickup standing up, because the leaves will be blown off by the time you get home. Lay them down, put a plastic bag on the base that'll catch the dirt. Again, do your research on what zone you're in and find what trees will work best with your planting zone. Another important thing I didn't mention earlier is pollination. You have to find trees that are similar, that'll pollinate with each other. Some are self-pollinating, you don't have to worry about it. So do your research and find out what trees work best for that. What else? I picked up, that work best for my area here, are pomegranates. They're called wonderful pomegranates. I picked up 4 of those. I picked up 4 royal apricots. I picked up 4 sun gold nectarines, 3 Lapins cherry trees. I picked up 1 Flavorosa pluot, another Flavor Supreme pluot, and I think that's it's a mixture between a plum and an apricot is what those are. 1 Pink Lady apple tree, and 1 Molly's Delicious apple tree, 1 Warren pear tree, and 1 Bartlett pear tree. So in total, that was 21 trees. So I'm going to be doing a video on me planting these. It's a special. It's a different method of planting that was used back in the late 1800s. And I have a friend that did it this way about 2 years ago, and the growth is phenomenal. Okay, and he's already got a ton of fruit on these trees. So I'll be doing a video on that. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.